Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to send a Discord friend link. Discord does not allow a direct friend link like other platforms. The main ways to add someone as a friend are by using their username and tag or by inviting them to a server first. To start, if you know their username and tag, go to the settings on the top left, then go to Direct Messages. From here, go to Add Friend and type in the friend's username and tag in the search bar, then send a friend request. If you don't know the tag, the alternative is to invite them to a server. Let's say you want to add someone as a friend. Just click on the plus icon and invite them. Once they have joined the server, you can directly add each other as friends. This is a practical workaround to connect with people you want to meet in communities. Remember that the person must accept your friend request before you can chat privately. You can also remove or cancel a request if needed. We learned that Discord friends can only be added using a username and tag or by inviting them to a server and then sending a friend request. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial videos.